Assalamualaikum students. Today the topic of our discussion is South Asia. South Asia जेके सिंधी में असां ॾखण एशिया चवंदा आहियूं उर्दू में उनखे जुनूबी एशिया चवंदा आहियूं. It is one of the most densely populated regions of the world and it has a great importance, geostrategic great importance, and it has about 1.6 billion population. तकरीबन जेको 1.5 अरब खां वधीक जेको हिते आबादी रहे थी. One of the world's earliest civilization. दुनिया जी पुरानी तहज़ीब मां साउथ एशिया के बड़ी अहमियत हासिल है. ठीक है. Indus Valley civilization and Chinese civilization also they were also developed here. और दुनिया की सभी का पुरानी जेके तहज़ीब हुआ Chinese civilization और Indus Valley civilization उहे बि इन इलाइक़े सां ताल्लुक़ रखनि थियूं. India and Pakistan holds particular importance in South Asia and the world affairs. South Asia के जेके ॿ मुल्क आहिनि जेके निहायती अहमियत वारा आहिनि उहे आहे हिकु इंडिया ऐं ॿियो आहे पाकिस्तान. दुनिया जे लिहाज़ खां बि ऐं साउथ एशिया जे लिहाज़ खां बि उन्हनि जी ॾाढी वॾी अहमियत आहे. South Asia is bounded by China in the north, Afghanistan and Iran in the west, and Hyderabad towards the east and the Bay of the Bengal and the Indian Ocean in the south. ठीक है. देखो दक्षिण एशिया है वो तकरीबन चीनी इलाइक़नि खां मुख़्तलिफ़ कंट्रीज ऐं जेको समुंड सां घेरियल आहे. The countries which are situated in South Asia are first of all is Pakistan, the second one is India, the third one is Sri Lanka, the fourth one is Bangladesh, the fifth is Nepal, sixth one is Maldives, and the seventh one is Bhutan. These are the 7 countries, and these 7 countries have their own organization known as the SAARC. We will discuss these countries later in the next video, and also we will discuss the SAARC as well. Okay, thank you.